Today we will learn the topic clipping. So what is clipping? Any procedure that identifies those portions of a picture that are either inside or outside of a specified region of space is referred to as clipping. So this is a picture and after clipping we get this one. So what is clip window? The region against which an object is to be clipped is called a clipped window. So this red bordered window is called the clipped window. The axes of these windows are parallel to the coordinates. So these axes are parallel to the normal xy coordinates. This window is defined by the corner coordinates. So this window is defined by the corner coordinate xw mean, yw mean and xw max, yw max. Types of clipping. So types of clippings are point clipping, line clipping, area clipping, curve clipping and text clipping. So today we will learn point clipping. Clipping a picture means first of all we shall clip a point because picture is defined as a collection of pixels. Assuming that the clip window is a rectangle in a standard position. So this is our clip window. It is a rectangular window. Now we have a point PXY. So this is a point inside the window PXY. For displaying if the following inequalities are satisfied. So we can get P if these inequalities are satisfied. That is, this x coordinate is in between xw mean and xw max. So the condition is xw mean greater than xw max, means x is greater than xw mean and less than xw max. Also y is greater than xw mean and less than yw max, where the edges of the clip window x mean, y mean, x max, y max can be either world coordinate window boundaries or viewport boundaries. See, now line clipping, the another topic, line clipping. See, first case, to clip a line, we need to consider only its end points, not its infinitely many interior points. So you have to consider only the end points, not the interior points. If both endpoints of a line lie inside the clip rectangle, so these endpoints are both endpoints A and B lie inside the clip rectangle, then the line can be trivially accepted because both endpoints are inside this window, so this line is trivially accepted. If one endpoint lies inside and one outside, see in case of this line CD, one endpoint inside, another endpoint outside, the line intersects of clip rectangle and we must compute the intersection point. In that case, you have to compute the intersection point. So this portion is accepted. C to D dash. You have to compute the intersection point. If both endpoints are outside the clip rectangle, the line may or may not intersect with the clip rectangle F and GH. In case of EH, this line is rejected because it is outside the clip window, and GH, in this case you have to consider this intersection point and you have to consider this intersection point. And we need to perform further calculation to determine whether there are any intersections. Yes, there are intersections G dash and H dash, and if they are, they were, and if there are, where they occur. That's all for today. Thank you.